Look at that! This is fucking amazing! Oh man! Hey guys! Look at that! Winter time! First snow. So I took a berg out to have some snow fun and hopefully don't fucking die or fall or something, because it's really slippery. But yeah, it's a beautiful day really, and by looking around looks like there's more snow coming, so that's gonna be fun as well. So tomorrow it's gonna be another pretty cool ripping around day, and I'm looking forward to it a lot actually. But the thing is, I don't want to go to public roads today, so the only way for me to get for my favorite spot is to go through the forest. So that's what I'm going to do. And the bike is cold as well, so I can't really rip it right now somewhere, so yeah. And I'm scared also because I have no experience whatsoever with snow riding, and those are just the common tires. There are no steel parts in it, so the grip is not really great. So I'm kinda afraid that it's not gonna be that easy as I planned in my head. But we'll see about that, and we'll see what happens. Yeah, but it's really slippery in the snow. I'm so not used to it, and I'm really actually scared. Also, there are parts where let's go this way, where there's mud, and the mud is frozen at the times and not frozen at the times. So I don't really want to get pulled in to some mud hole or something that is not frozen. So I'm gonna take this really slow and really careful, because it would be not really great for me to have some kind of injury. So let's not go there. This is wow, man, I'm so stiff on the bike today. Can't really hit my sweet spot. And the thing is, this bike doesn't have any rear-wheel traction in the normal conditions, and there's snow. So it's like twice that bad. There are a lot of roots under the snow, so yeah. Not an easy job for me today, really. But look at that, it's so beautiful with the snow in here. a lot of new experiences for me today, and I kinda love that. Wow, it's kinda wet under the snow in here. So many footsteps. A lot of people actually walk in these forests. That's interesting. Man, it's so cold. That was a big route. Wow. Oh, this is another fucking level of not having fucking traction, man. Okay. What the fuck, man? This is actually kind of fun, to be honest. But yeah, now I'm kind of sad there's not really more snow. That would be like triple the fun. But yeah. Wow. Well, let's go this way. I don't know how much traction actually the front wheel has, so let's... Not a lot. Not a fucking lot. But yeah, what I expected, right? It's fucking winter and snow and ice and all this shit. Wow. I have fucking zero traction on that bag wheel. I'm really scared, and my boots are full of snow. Fuck this shit. Fuck me. Ah, it's so cold. So cold. This is actually kind of fun, and it's kind of dangerous as well, but it looks definitely nice. Wow, this is awesome. Wow. I mean, look at that. This is fucking amazing. Oh man, I really love this. Wow, this winter weather is gonna be amazing, really. And the thing is, because of Corona, I kinda knew this is going to happen, and the ski resorts are closed. So not really a lot of fun for me to have in winter. So that's one of the reasons I got this fucking beast, so I can enjoy some snow fun and I don't have to rely on Corona status or other people or something like that. I may even create a system how can me and my brother actually can use the bike to pull us with the snowboard. That would be really cool. So yeah, with all that said, I'm gonna enjoy the shit. Yeah, take care, ride safe and peace.